Hello guys, Blogan is here again and we continue to learn new operators. In this tutorial, you learn compound operators. You already know what arithmetic operators do. These are addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and modulo. There are situations where you have a variable and you want to change its value by adding or subtracting a number to it. For example, imagine that you're asking the user to enter a number, and then you want to change the variable by increasing its value by 5 and display it. How to do this? The first option should be written like this. Since you know the precedence of operators, you understand that addition will first work here, which will return the sum of numbers, and then the sum of numbers will be assigned to a variable. Similarly, you can use division, multiplication, and so on. But this expression can be shortened by using the compound operator. The compound operator is an operator that does two operations. The first calculates a new value using a variable, and the second assigns that value to a variable. For example, here's a list of all compound arithmetic operators. Notice how they look. First you write the arithmetic operator and then the assignment operator. These are also binary operators. This means that they need an operand on the left and on the right. You write an expression on the right and a variable on the left. How do they work? They are abbreviations for other expressions. Here is a large list of examples below. In the comments, I indicated which expressions these operators abbreviate and wrote what value the variable will have after each command. You'll see these operators a lot in the future, but they're not required in programming. You can easily write unabridged expressions, although I still recommend using them, if possible, because they'll make the code look simpler. There are also compound bitwise operators, but I'll talk about them after we learn how to work with bits. This will happen around lesson 63. And that's the end of this lesson. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, you can support me by liking this video, writing a comment under it, subscribing to the channel, donating using the link in the video description, or becoming a sponsor of my channel. All these things popularize my channel and motivate me to continue recording classes for you. Goodbye.